back. Today we'll see about the language deduction option in Visual Studio Code. So if you copy a code from somewhere and don't know what language it is, the Visual Code do the help for you. Like it will deduct what type of language, programming language being used, and it will give you the options whether you need to install a package or not if you are not done anything in the Visual Studio Code, or else it will provide the options and it will show the what kind of programming language it is. So like we'll just copy a code snippet, and we'll just open a new file and we'll just copy a code snippet, and so this is a Java file. We just copy it and paste it in Visual Code. So now the editor will detect the language for that one, and it will show the extension. Would you like to install the Java extension or not? So we'll just close this one and open another file, and now we'll just copy another programming language. It's a Python one. So we'll just copy this one and paste it over here. So now let's see whether it's able to detect it out. Okay, you can see that editor is detecting it's Python, and you can see the icon over at the top. So here you can able to detect the language, and we'll see whether we can able to format it out. So since there is no formatter for the Python, it's not available. So we'll just copy a JSON file. So I'll just paste it over here, and then we'll try to format it out first. So you can use the command Control Shift I or Command Shift I, or you can use the palette and you can format the document. So it has been, the JSON file has been formatted. So that's it. The option, these are the options we are trying today. So I hope you enjoyed it. So we'll see you in the next video.